So today is Christmas, and I'm actually going to open up some Christmas presents that have been given to me by some of you, my subscribers. If you want to see what I picked up, stay tuned to the video. Reggie here, your friendly neighborhood bodybuilder and comic book collector, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So off to my right, I have a stack of things that have either been hand delivered to me at GarageCon or sent over to me as an A-OK for Christmas. So we're going to open some of these things up. I honestly don't know what's inside, but that's what makes it such a fun thing to do on live camera. So here we go. Let's see what's inside. I'm actually going to do this first one. This first one actually came from Comic Collection Agency, and he actually came to GarageCon. He has given me in the past several AOKs to actually give away here on the channel at various points when I've reached various milestones. And most recently, Juan, Comic Collection Agency, gave me a Deadpool gift pack to give away when I reached 6,000 subscribers. So I thought it appropriate to kind of start with his gift to me first, which he gift wrapped in Spider-Man wrapping paper. So how about that one? So he wrote me a note. He says, hey Reggie, congrats on reaching 6,000 subscribers. I enjoy watching your content. So here's a little token of my appreciation to you and the community you've built around this channel. Everything wrapped up is for you, and all the Deadpool stuff is for the giveaway, which I've already spoken about. Much respect, Juan, Comic Collection Agency. So there we go. Oh, he also says, P.S. Oh yeah, here's a pack of Dawn of X cards. I remember you mentioning that you never got a pack. That is true. I actually reached out to the comic shops, told them about these cards, and still didn't get a pack of them. So Juan hooked me up big time, and here's the pack right here. That's pretty cool. It's a pack of cards. I will open this, but on the back is the Krakoan language translated into the alphabet. So I thought that was really cool. So I'm actually going to open this up because I want to see what it's about. And then he also just sent me the alphabet as a standalone card so I can actually decipher finally all of those cryptic messages in the various X titles. So let's see what he sent over. I have a feeling that this one is a CD. I can feel it from the from the outside. So let's see what this one is. It is a DVD Blu-ray, Suicide Squad, Hell to Pay. There we go. That's what that is. I've never seen this before, but I'm going to watch this one. Probably after the children go to sleep, but we're going to check that one out. Suicide Squad, a DC property. So that should be cool. I'm looking forward to reading that, or reading that. I'm looking forward to listening and watching that one. So let's see what this one is. Oh, it's a stack of books. Stack of books here. Open this up. Some blue painter's tape on here. Let's see what he has hooked me up with. It's like two separate bricks here. I'm gonna set that one off to the side. Oh, that's cool. That's a cool cover right there. I dig the cover already just from seeing it. Pull this out. We're going to start with this first one. That one's cool. World War Hulk X-Men 1 of 3. There you go. That's a cool cover right there. Here we go. This is awesome right here. Some Wolverine and Hulk facing off. This is a man that watches this channel, right? And he knows that I love those classic battles between these two right here. And I did not even know that this cover existed. So that's cool. And then here is, I think this is part 3. Yep, part 3. There's the rest of the X-Men. But we all know what the draw is. It's that one right there. How cool is that? I'm gonna have to drop this in a special box where I have a lot of those other covers featuring these two facing off. So definitely appreciate that. Set that off to the side, and then let's see what this stack is. I've never seen this before. I've never seen this one. Bizarre Adventures, Not for Kiddies. We mean it. I feel like I've seen this cover before. I feel like I've seen this, but I don't know. I don't know anything about this one. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research. Here is Green Lantern Mosaic number 9. It's a, I don't know that I have many Christmas covers, so that's cool. I was actually thinking about doing a Christmas related video where I showed covers, but then I realized I don't have any Christmas covers. And now it seems like I might have a couple. So 100-page Monster X-Men number 109. There we go. You might see these next year in a video around this same time, because there is definitely a theme that is going on. DCU Holiday Bash, number 1, another Christmas book. How cool is that? Here is Saint Nick and the Grey Hulk facing off with a $9.99 crowbar. This is Incredible Hulk 378. How cool. And then a Spawn. This is cool. This is some cool stuff. I think this is a Capullo, Grey Capullo cover. Spawn number 39. How cool is that? This is very, very fitting as an AOK, especially because, again, I thought about doing a video with covers like this. Didn't have any. And now I have what? 6? I have 6. So at least I know I can make a video next year. Juan, thank you very much, brother. I definitely appreciate that. I'm going to set those all to the side. Absolutely appreciate it. So this next one, this is actually a box from my man, Randhir. And you can see he wrote Merry Christmas. And then he also did a little sketch on the front of this thing. So we're going to crack this one open. Randy is a guy that has actually sent me several pieces of artwork over the last several months. Actually, he sent me maybe 1 or 2, and then I think I bought one, and then he sent me like another 1 or 2. I can't remember. I've honestly lost track. But he has sent me, especially this one. This is the most recent one back here. Is a X-Men cover. Fantastic guy. We've actually done a couple of trades for some books and things like that over the last year or so. Awesome guy. And there is a stack of comics in here, a little brick wrapped in painter's tape and a note. Let me scan this and see if I can read it out loud. Okay, so he says, Reg, here is a little Christmas present from me to you. I know you're not a big fan of trades, not trading, but trades. But when I saw this one, I thought you may enjoy it. Merry Christmas, my friend, and Happy New Year. Comic book soldiers for life, my man Randy. How cool is that? There was actually, I've mentioned this before, I actually keep all of these letters that people send me. I have a red folder that sits right there in that corner that I collect all of these things in. So, because I think it's a cool thing to be able to look back at all this stuff over time, you know? So, save all of that. So we know that this is a trade. We don't know what the trade is, but Randy says is something that I might like, so I have to believe him. So let's open this thing up. The wonderful thing about using blue painter's tape when you send bubble wrap is that you get to reuse the bubble wrap because it does not tear. Yet another reason why blue painter's tape is the bomb. This is a hardcover book that is wrapped with Avengers. So we're going to remove this outer wrapper here. I saw a word, and it's... Yeah, he's right. He's right. I do like this one. How cool is that? I've heard about this. How cool is that? This is, it's a hardcover of House of X and Powers of 10, I'm guessing. Or maybe it is just House of X. Maybe it is. Wow, I didn't realize that there was that many pages. But this is the Hickman, the next great evolution of the X-Men. While you slept, the world changed. So this is a collection of House of X 1 through 6 and Powers of 10 1 through 6. How cool is that? Brother, you spent good money on this one. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. This is cool. I actually want to read this now. I actually want to crack it open and read it. This is cool. Someone asked me at GarageCon, they said, Reg, what was the best comic that you read this year? And without pausing, my answer was House of X. House of X, hands down, was the best comic that I read this year. Because it was, I think it was a big comic in so many reasons. Yes, because of the sales. Yes, because of the excitement that was that was palpable in many ways by people that were, thinking about it, reading the comic or reading the comic. There was a lot of excitement. Every single issue that dropped, there was excitement. People were sitting in their cars outside of the comic shop reading House of X, right? And then you look at what Jonathan Hickman and his team, his creative team, has undertaken. It was not an easy task to reinvigorate the X-Men. And many people have tried over the years. And I think he honestly succeeded. And then you look at what is happening with the current books that are out right now, the ongoing X-Men titles, they are fantastic because of what Jonathan Hickman and his team did with House of X. So, Randy, brother, thank you very much. This means a great deal to me. I definitely appreciate this. And as much as I don't like taking things out of the plastic when they come in plastic, I might take this one out of plastic and read it because I enjoyed this comic that much. So thank you, brother. I definitely appreciate it. All right. And I dropped something on the floor. All right. So while at GarageCon, there was a young man. It's a young man that came to visit me. I've met this young man several times along with his mother. He came, he said he was going to bring me something, and true to his word, he did bring me something. He brought me a fantastic sketch based upon something that I utter from time to time. The phrase that I utter is, "You're a nut." And he gave me Mr. Peanut. A huge shout out to Matthew for hooking me up with this sketch that he drew of Mr. Peanut with my phrase, "You're a nut." Thank you, brother. I definitely appreciate that. And that is going to go in the sketchbook. So I appreciate that. And my man Alan sent me this, or he brought this to me. Alan is the guy that took Amazing Spider-Man 110 on a hike to Peru. He came by for GarageCon. He had this in a bag. He handed it to me, and he says something along the lines of trying to keep his carbon footprint low. So this is wrapped in Previews magazine. And to be honest with you, I could not think of a more fitting way to wrap a present, to be honest, right? I mean, it's Previews magazine. Come on. So let's crack it open and see. Oh, man, that's cool. Let's rip this thing open and see what's inside of here. That is cool. That's cool. Wow. So it's Free Comic Book Day, first Saturday in May. This is limited to 5,000 of these. This is Spider-Man's black costume. This thing is cool. Wow. This is from Diamond. Check that out. No wonder it's from Free Comic Book Day. I should have saved this and opened this as a dedicated video. This thing is cool. I don't think you guys can fully appreciate it, and I need to think about whether I want to take it out. This is cool. Alan, brother, thank you very much. Everybody knows I love the black costume. This is cool. This is going on the shelf. This is going on the shelf for certain. I can't really tell what the orientation is. What's the orientation? I guess it is just on its side. This thing is slick. I love this. Part of me wants to take it out, and part of me wants to just keep it in. Decisions. I might have to do a poll. This is cool. Alan, brother, thank you very much. I definitely appreciate this. I'm going to have to set this one right here. So that is an awesome high note to end on, right? We are going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I want to thank everyone out there. I know it's not the end of the year, but it feels like a moment to just say thank you to everyone out there. Not just those folks that send me AOKs, not just those folks that came to GarageCon to hang out, not just the folks that leave the comments behind on the videos, because there are a lot of you that do that. But I want to say thank you to everyone that watches the content. And I know that there's a lot of people that watch the videos that never comment, that may or may not leave a thumbs up behind, but they watch the videos. And so I want to say thank you. Whatever your level of engagement is, I say thank you very much for being part of what I try to do here on the channel. I hope that you'll stick with me as we move into next year, and hopefully to move into doing some additional things that are really, really fun. But if you need to reach out to me, I want to encourage you to do so. You can do it on Instagram at RegieCollects, or you can send me an email at Regie@RegieCollects.com. Thank you very much. Have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, Happy New Year, whatever it is. I want you to enjoy yourself, and I hope you pick up some awesome comics. Take care.